Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition replacement coolant thermostat and housing assembly. Now this part fits a variety of Chevy vehicles, including the Chevy Cruze, Limited, Trax, and Sonic with the 1.6 and 1.8 liter engine. Now this thermostat housing kit is pretty much going to be a complete kit. As you can see here, this is the aluminum thermostat housing. And if we flip this over, you'll see that the thermostat is actually pre-installed within the housing. It includes both water temp sensors. You can see there's a water temp sensor installed over here and a second water temp sensor installed over here. It's also going to include the O-ring that goes around here. And it's also going to include the freeze plug that installs in the side of the thermostat housing here. Now this thermostat housing is going to be a direct replacement for the factory one, so all you'll need to do is remove the factory thermostat housing, which is secured with the 4 bolts here, remove the electrical connectors and the hoses, and this housing will install directly in its place. Now, if you guys have any questions about the product or installation, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.